learned a lot about products for backlit sign cabinets, a lot on LEDs, the power supplies, all that kind of stuff, and then just how to put one together. Yeah, I definitely learned what I hope to learn, yep. It was a lot of hands-on and a lot of good demonstration. What I enjoyed most was the hands-on part, the actual building and putting the lights in, wiring it up. I would say one thing that I learned that I didn't know before coming here was all the different options that were available, all the different products and how to use them and that kind of stuff. Let's say the skill that I learned a lot is just following directions, waiting and following directions, not jumping ahead too much. Yeah, I think the class was taught very well, it flowed very nice, and everyone's very knowledgeable, and all the presenters did a very good job.